Welcome to a fun quiz about common electrical components. Things you might use at home on a prototyping breadboard or on a homemade circuit. The thing is, some of these components have been photographed from some very strange angles. 10 components which you'll see for 10 seconds each, and it's multiple choice for the answers. Let me know how you do in the comments section afterwards, and do let me know if you'd like to see more of this type of quiz. Question 1. Is this A, a transducer, B, a capacitor, C, a supercapacitor, or D, an actuator? It's an electrolytic capacitor. That cross shape on the top is for gas venting, to prevent an explosion of liquid onto a circuit board if it becomes faulty. Question 2. Is this A, an inflector, B, a rectifier, C, a thyristor, or D, a transistor? Here was a picture of a transistor from above. The flat edge may have given it away. In this case, a 2N2222A. Question 3. Is this A, a resistor, B, an inductor, C, a reluctor, or D, a choke? The answer to question 3 was a resistor. 5.7K in fact, and a quarter watt type. Question 4. Is this A, an LED, B, a filament bulb, C, an argon bulb, or D, a neon bulb? It is in fact a neon bulb, and these things work from around 80 volts upwards. You'll have seen them probably in extension strips. The orange flickering glow will be a neon. Question 5. Is this A, a NiCad battery, B, an NIMH battery, C, a gel battery, or D, none of the above? This one was in fact an NIMH, tiny battery as found in something like a solar garden light. Question 6. Is this A, a resistor, B, an inductor, C, a choke, or D, a diode? While similar looking to a resistor, this was in fact an inductor, 1000 microhenries. Question 7. Is this A, a variable diode, B, a variable choke, C, a variable capacitor, or D, a trimmer pot? Perhaps the word variable was being focused on. This was in fact a trimmer pot. Question 8. Is this A, an MFD, B, an LED bulb, C, a neon bulb, or D, a clear fuse? That picture was an image from above of a 3mm LED bulb, a white one. Question 9. Is this A, a triode, B, a thyristor, C, a diode, or D, a biode? That was, of course, a diode. It wasn't helped by being slightly out of focus and a bit dark. I hope you got that one. And the last question may be the most difficult. Is this A, a resistor, B, a choke, C, an injector, or D, a diode? And the last one, for a possible 10 out of 10 score, was a choke. These are usually in radio frequency stages of radios and similar. So there we go. I do hope you enjoyed that, and I do hope you got 10 out of 10. Again, do let me know in the comments how you did do, and if you enjoyed the quiz.